In this video, I'm going to show you a Volatility 75 5-minute indicator, how you can get it, what's the win and the loss rate, and then how to attach this to your TradingView chart. Make sure that you stay till the end of the video to see the results and leave a like and subscribe. So let's jump straight to it. Alright everyone, so on this video, as the time of recording it, these stats change the whole time as the days move on and the chart prints new bars. These stats will change. So we are on Volatility 75 on the RIV on the 5-minute right over here. So we can see we have a 66.7 win rate. We have 9 wins in a row. That's the highest streak, and the worst streak was 3 losses in a row. You can also see the shorts win rate and the long win rate and the shorts win rate, the profit factor, the expectancy, and then of course your average win and your average loss. How many trades went to TP1, how many trades went to TP2. Okay, so I'm going to show you from Monday the 22nd of June 2026, and we are going to look at the trades, how it was. So this indicator actually plots out the buys, the stop losses, and the TPs for you. So in this example, the first line is TP1, the second green line right over here is TP2, and then as soon as price reaches TP1, our stop loss moves to break even. So here we can see we had a buy signal right over here, and the price went immediately to TP1, and then we had a break even, and price came down on a break even. Another buy, and then we had one stop loss. So let's quickly mark this out. So it's one winning trade. Let's just do this. There we go. So it's one winning trade. One losing trade. Then again, a buy, TP1, TP2, so it's another winning trade right over here. Let's mark it out. So do you see TP1 stops to break even, and then we went to TP2, another buy right over here. Let's see what happened. So we had a big push, price came down to our entry, and as soon as we hit TP1, our stops moved to break even, and then we went all the way for TP2. So this one is also going to be a winning trade. Then we have another buy immediately to TP1, and then as you can see we retraced and we got stopped out at break even. So we have another winning trade. Here is a sell right over here, so we sold, and as you can see we went immediately to stop loss. So this one is a losing trade. We had a buy right over here, and immediately we went to a stop loss. So it's another losing trade. Alright, here we had a sell. We went to TP1, stops to break even, and we got tapped out at break even. So this is going to be a winning trade. Here we have another winning trade right over here. So we bought a little bit in drawdown, straight to TP1, straight to TP2, right over here. Then after this one we had a sell, a little bit of a drawdown. We took this liquidity right over here. We had a market structure shift right over here, and then price continued down all the way to TP1 and got stopped out at break even. So then again, another winning trade. Then here we had a sell, price consolidated on our entry point. Here we had TP1. So as soon as we TP1 stops to break even, and then we went out here at break even. So here's another sell, price came down, and eventually we hit stop loss. So here is a losing trade. Then the indicator gave us another one, a buy, straight to TP1, stops to break even, and straight to TP2. So this is going to be a winning trade. Here we had a buy, we had a drawdown, price is consolidating right over here. We took liquidity that's resting right over here. And we hit TP1 a few moments ago, and this is going to be a winning trade. Of course, with TP, and as you can see, stop loss is currently at break even. So how do we get this indicator? All right, so what we want to do, we want to go to the tradersreview.com. So as soon as we are in tradersreview.com, we want to go to Academy, we want to go to trading indicators, and then we want to go for the VoltEdge 75 5 minutes. It's $4.99 per month, so it's basically $5 a month. So it's a subscription base. So you click on it, you can read through the indicator right over here. There's a nice YouTube video on it as well, how to get access to the indicator. There's some screenshots, and then you're just going to click subscribe, and all you need to do is fill in your TradingView username and your TradingView email address, and then you are going to subscribe for $4.99 per month, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So that's how easy it is, how to get the indicator. So let's quickly go back, let's zoom out, let's quickly see when we go back to this date right over here, the 22nd. So one losing, one winning, one losing, so it's break even, winning, 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 loss, loss. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wins, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 wins, 10 wins, 4 losses, 14 trades in total. Look at the risk on return. So guys, go get the indicator, go to the tradersreview.com, link is down in the description. Get yours now for $4.99 per month, and then I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.